Right, here we go. This is a quick run through, so don't panic. It's just to give you a rough idea of what's going to happen. We'll go down much slower. Here we go. Right. Now the main ingredients are plain flour, egg and milk. Mix the wholemeal flour and plain flour if you prefer. Mix about 4 ounces of flour and place it in a bowl to separate the yolk from the white. Set the egg white aside and place the yolk in the flour. Add a small teaspoonful of sugar and a pinch of salt. Measure out half a pint of milk. Mix the milk gradually into the flour until the flour and milk are completely combined. Then pour into a jug with a spout. First blend the white of the egg. Then add it to the batter. This makes it easier for mixing. And mix it with the blender. Now we can start making pancakes. Okay, pour some oil into the pan and turn the hob up to high heat. Wait until the pan is really hot, then mop it up with a paper towel that's folded and put it into a saucer. These are for the next one. Pour your first pancake. You will see a few bubbles appear. Then get ready for the fun part. Ease the pancake from the pan using a spatula. You run round the edges with it. Give it a good shake around and then flip it over. There you go. Doesn't work every time. Another way is to slide the pancake onto a plate, then flip it over into the pan. See if the other side is done, then toss it back over and put it on a plate, and then wipe the pan with the oil to make the next one. Voila, you should have 7 or 8 pancakes when you're finished. Pancakes are best when they're freshly made, otherwise place them in a container and put them in the fridge. They'll keep for a few days. These pancakes are versatile and can be served savoury or sweet. Heat it in a microwave and sprinkle it with cinnamon sugar and maple syrup, really sweet. Serve it as a savoury dish with a filling of your choice, microwaving the pancake to piping hot. I'm always